Here we go. I think they're calling this blue, but it's more indigo to me. So, oh boy, it's not sinking in.
I think you're gonna put some more on. I think you're just kind of being light with it.
So, oh yeah, I see it does sink in. It does sink in. So, and that's just one side of things.
Now try maybe a different color with the other side.
Okay. So, go with the red. Maybe shake this up first. Yeah. A little bit of that bottom. Okay.
I think you're gonna flip it over too.
Gotta flip it over.
Yeah.
Let it sink in.
Don't forget to scrunch with the other hand.
All right. Oh boy, look at that.
See if you can soak that puddle up with that little. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it does soak it up. Yeah. Soak that up. So here we can go like that. Here we can go like that. I wonder how they get those streaks. And let's get some green going. Yeah, okay. Yeah, definitely the directions say to get this stuff scrunched up so that when you open it up, then it has that kind of effect to it. And it does soak in. So definitely with the amount of dye we're using on just a pair of socks, so what do we have? We got the blue, we got the red, and I don't think we got the green, right? Or we just put in the green. So the blue, red, and the green.
You put orange instead of red. We could try it. That was
This
orange.
was the orange.
Yeah, so try darker red.
It's just the red, okay. Let's see if we got, yeah, it's stuck to the bottom there. There. Yeah, so if we're using this on on just a pair of socks, then we're desecrating the memory of all those hippies with their high ideals and certain things did change though. They went to an all-volunteer army, so you never know. Wonder if did Janis Joplin have tie-dyed outfits?
You would know.
She was
So scrunch them up then?
an astounding singer,
So,
blues singer. Just astounding.
don't forget to keep flipping them.
Keep flipping them. Okay. There. And there. Yeah, I wonder how we're getting these streaky. What do we need here? Some red?
Yeah, red would be good. Maybe I tried that other red that you haven't used.
This one?
No, you tried that
This
one.
one here, okay.
No, that's orange. The other one. That
One of these?
Yeah.
This one? Is that the red?
Yeah, try that one.
Okay. See how we are on the bottom of here. Okay. Actually, the socks will still be good. I think it's just that they're going to look different. And that some of the fabric itself is is soaking in. That's why they're saying to scrunch these things. That's why they're saying to scrunch them out so that, which we didn't do.
I think that's pretty good on the socks then.
So this we have a
I think you got a good base on the
first
sock.
attempt at that, and then we have to let it sit for 6 or 8 hours.
Yeah.